Capture the 3 flags, round 1. That's what I'm calling it. I don't care.
Me too, man. Me too. Yeah. Don't.
Todd, you got that thing on? You got that thing covered, yeah? Yeah.
Oh yeah. No.
Okay.
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
Depends on
Get it on camera too.
when. Yeah.
Yeah. Just have them push up. Maybe grab like Paul and Simon and go with you guys. So you'll be. Here's what we're gonna do. You 3 are mine. You 3 are him. Cody, you're gonna come with me. You got comms. He's got comms. You've got comms. You've got comms. Yes. Okay. All right. So you are gonna be with me at this group. We're gonna be a group of 5. They're gonna be a group of 4. They're doing their group of 3 thing. Unless you feel like getting a workout, you can go with them. Way the fuck that way.
I'll go with you.
You'll go with them?
No, I'll go with you.
Okay.
Did you fix the gun for the...
I think so. Let's try it out. Alright, it's shooting a little low now. That's better. It's still dropping a little short. Actually, that's probably good. I'd leave that.
You just gotta get used to it.
Yep. And then you just gotta watch the BBs.
So, I guess. Do we kind of count it as like a rep thing?
No, if we take him, he's gotta walk it.
Okay.
So I would do it in a good time, not in the middle of a firefight per se, but you got a quieter thing, don't you?
No, just this one.
Is that quieter?
I've ever made is
Probably.
Then AEG?
Yeah.
Yeah, use that then.
All right.
All right, Paul and Simon, go with these guys. You're gonna roll with them. We're all taking the
Wait, can I go
pipeline.
with James?
Huh? Where's he at? It's gonna be in the town, probably, based on where he's standing.
Can I just still go with him?
That's up to you. All right, actually, I'm gonna put you in charge. I'm gonna check him, and then I'll come find you. You're receiving and transmitting, right?
Huh?
You're receiving and transmitting, yeah? Okay.
Copy.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna.
So where are we going?
Pipeline.
Just pipeline straight down?
Pipeline and find the flag,
Hey.
capture it. Oh, that's not good.
That shouldn't happen.
Screw it on. It's the threads. It's
No, I know. I'm trying to.
Yeah. It's counter to what normally is. Yeah. I know. I always have to kind of constantly remind myself it's the wrong way. Actually, why did it beep?
Because I turned mine on.
Oh, okay. I'm like, it shouldn't be. You want to play with Chris?
What?
Do you want to play with Chris?
I don't want to go
This
with
stock was the best investment I ever made.
Okay.
The best investment I ever did was the scope.
Huh?
The best investment I've ever did is the scope.
Yeah, mine's a little loose right now, and I didn't want to fuck with it, so it's at home.
I mean, I'll take it.
No, I'm gonna keep mine. Huh?
Do you like dyes or mesh band?
I like dice, but if I have the option, I would do just goggles like Todd. Actually, I could have grabbed mine. Oh well, whatever.
Our goggles do like doing this, but what if your teeth get shot?
It's not likely to happen if you're not in the city.
Come on, Todd.
Even if you are, it's very unlikely to happen unless you're room clearing. That's why you'll see when I room clear, I'll have one hand on the gun and one hand over my mouth. Usually. And on Saturdays, I will wear the mesh and I will just use my rifle, not this one, to do room clearing.
How often do you play?
Hmm?
How often?
How often do I what? Play? Once to twice a month?
Normally twice.
I'd
Should
like
be
to
my
do
third
more.
time this month, but I didn't look at Black Camp's website. They were open on Saturday, and I thought they were open on Sunday. I got everything ready halfway. I was already halfway there, and then I checked the website.
That is not screaming confidence for me there, Cody.
No, not at all.
That should not move like that.
Shouldn't pull off like that either.
Hold on, let me see. Pull it off.
Is it it a mock?
I've had it on multiple times. Did it strip the threads?
Yeah, mine's 24.
I don't have to run with it on. I mean, it doesn't do anything. It's just for looks.
Yeah, they think
It
the
helps
barrel's
keep dirt out of
exposed.
your barrel though.
Yeah.
We'll do that. Yeah, I would put that away. Or, hold on, it could be the wrong side. Yeah, you may have stripped your threads. It doesn't look like it. That's the thing.
I've had it on multiple times. You know this.
Dumbass.
Shot. Here.
What the heck? Just decides to fall off now.
Decided fuck you.
Yeah, I mean, there's metal shavings coming off, so I don't want to keep fucking with it. I'd put that away.
I'll go for you first. Tony, is this cheating or can I do this?
I mean, if you want to get the OG patch, it's got to be just the pistol in your hand.
Can I do this? Like it's not. I'm not planning on shooting it. It's like this.
Why is this not shooting?
Great.
Okay.
I'll
Can
have
I
an
just do
issues.
this? Like I'm not gonna shoot it, but just hold it in my hand.
Stop wasting it.
Fine. Am I allowed to just hold it in my offhand and shoot it? With this on the side.
Just use one at a
Does
time.
that count?
One at a time.
But so, could I do this?
Yeah, that would work.
This would count.
That would count.
Bro, when are we gonna start? But the perk of this is
When they get everybody down to where they need to go. There we go.
oh, we got an LMG. Really?
I'm sure the other team probably does too, dude.
That's great for us, isn't it?
No.
Honestly, I would have brought ours. It's still in the shot. Here we go! Go with them. Go that way. Go, 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 go.
Run him over, Stacy! Just run him over, Stacy!
All right, they're heading our direction.
I think like everybody's going to the pipeline. Only
And the south town too.
this way.
There's one. No, there's one flag over that. There's two. Two this way, one this way. Yep.
Okay.
Nice Sturmgewehr.
Yeah, the stem get it.
I haven't been here.
Get ready for that.
But we're playing with the field over here too.
You guys in the mag?
Yep.
Oh, I got it from you.
I thought that looked familiar with the markings on the stock. I'm like, that gun looks familiar. Watch your right.
Missing some stuff, so I've had to make do.
Ah, I'm still working on getting your guns up and running. Cross.
I got guys.
They're coming though. Let's go. Put some hustle.
I've never been on this part before.
There's the flag. Fan out. We got the flag. We're in possession. Fan it out.
Are you gonna hold it?
Yeah. Green pipeline is under green control.
Yeah, I got that range. They're coming.
No, they're not coming. You can't reach that. Crossing! Get up on the barrels. I got news for you. That thing ain't gonna reach that far. Is it feeding? That's not good. Switch mags.
Funny thing is, I've never been in this here before.
In this area, this is the pipeline. That flag right there is what we need to protect. Problem is, they're gonna sneak through this area and get in here. Rookie, how copy? Yo. What's up?
I was talking to Simon. He's ready to let us out. We got tangles right in front of us.
No, I don't think so. Maybe. Eyes peeled that way.
I'm gonna get lost if I get hit.
Those are green. Those are green. Watch front in this area here. Recce group, how copy? Oh, I won't. Austin or Boss, come in, over. I'm in the wood line here, yeah. I want to get in here. Shit. Okay, that was you guys. Keep an eye out that way.